Okay, let's get right into it. You know, we're always told that nothing, absolutely nothing, can break the cosmic speed limit. But what if there was a loophole? Something that seems to just shatter that rule, but without actually breaking any laws of physics. Today, we're going to solve a mind-bending cosmic illusion that might just change how you think about speed itself. Just look at this number. 5.05 times c, and yeah, that c stands for the speed of light. This is the actual calculated speed of a laser spot that was swept across the surface of the moon. That's more than 5 times the speed of light. I mean, that sounds completely impossible, right? And that's the big puzzle we're tackling today. How in the world can we see something moving at this insane speed when everything we know about physics says it just can't happen? This isn't science fiction, folks. It's a real, measurable thing, and we are about to unpack it. So, to solve this paradox, we first have to get really clear on the fundamental rule that we seem to be breaking. This is the absolute bedrock of modern physics, the one speed to rule them all. And here it is, the cosmic speed limit, c. Thanks to Einstein and special relativity, we know this isn't just a guideline. It's basically hardwired into the fabric of the universe. Now, the crucial part, the detail that matters most here, is that no information or energy, no physical stuff, can get from point A to point B faster than this. This law is what keeps cause and effect in the right order. Okay, so if the speed of light is truly unbreakable, maybe the thing we're seeing, that super fast spot on the moon, isn't a thing in the way we think it is. To get our heads around that, let's ask a totally different question. What is a shadow? What is darkness, really? And boom, here's the big mindset shift. Darkness isn't some substance that flows or travels. It's just the absence of photons. It doesn't move at all. It's simply the state that's left behind, the state that's revealed when the light is gone. These analogies really help make it click. Think about a hole forming in a bucket of water. The emptiness doesn't travel through the water, right? It just appears as the water drains away. Or picture a massive stadium emptying out all at once. The empty space, the void, is created everywhere at the same time. It's the same when you flip a light switch. You're not unleashing a wave of darkness. You're just cutting off the source of photons. The room goes dark instantly because the light simply stops arriving. So if that laser spot on the moon, much like a shadow, isn't a physical thing, but just an effect, how does its location change so ridiculously fast? Well, the secret isn't about breaking physics, not at all. It's about a simple, beautiful trick of geometry and motion. It all comes down to this simple formula, v equals omega times r. So imagine you're just spinning in place. That's your angular speed, omega. Now picture holding a really, really long stick. That's your radius, r. The farther out you go on that stick, the faster the tip has to move to keep up with your spin. And with a long enough arm, the speed of that tip can become almost unimaginably fast. Here's a great way to think about it. When you close a pair of scissors, your hands are moving pretty slow. But if you have really long blades, that little point where they cross can just zip from one end to the other, way faster than your hands. Now, is that little crossing point a physical object? Nope. It's just a geometric location, an abstract point in space. So this is the key takeaway. This is the whole shebang. We have to be really precise about what we're measuring. Physical things, information, energy, matter, they're all capped at the speed of light. But a geometric point, a shadow, the spot from a laser, their apparent speed can be, well, potentially unlimited because they aren't actually carrying information from one place to the next. All right, so with our new understanding of absence and this cool trick of geometry, let's head back to that laser on the moon and finally put this paradox to bed. Okay, check out these numbers. The distance from the Earth to the moon, that's our incredibly long lever arm, our r. The quick sweep of the laser from back here on Earth, that's our angular speed, our omega. So when you multiply that enormous distance by even a tiny, quick angular speed, you get this, an absolutely staggering spot speed of over 5 times the speed of light. This is v equals omega times r, but playing out on a cosmic scale. And here it is, the solution, the perfectly legal physics loophole. The laser spot looks like it's racing across the lunar surface, but that's the illusion. No information is actually moving sideways from spot to spot on the moon. What's really happening is a continuous stream of individual photons. Each one travels from Earth to the moon, and each one perfectly, and I mean perfectly, obeys the cosmic speed limit. The spot is just where the newest photon in the stream happens to be landing at that exact moment. So in the end, the so-called speed of darkness, or a shadow or a laser spot, it's not a violation of physics at all. It's a beautiful demonstration of geometry. I love this quote. It just sums it all up perfectly. Darkness doesn't race light. It waits patiently for light to leave. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other cosmic speed limits are actually just illusions of our own perspective?